The breast where don't sleep. And when lagba di your mom, they don't rap and hold down. Put that for chest. Can't use your mobilizer, Teresa and go. Put oil for the hop, make it shine. You wait in Nigeria, you say, see, brother, now when you go offload that breast, some of the many of the bumpy, that's where be. You not go check, you not go say when they do test give you before you put prick for Toto, for Janto Toto. Most Janto they come house with sickness. Or can you wait in Nigeria for your own good? Before you dey knock Janto, go do tests with them. Make sure so you get.
When I have these boys say all these women when in the shop, how many do tests for? When I have these boys say all these women when in the shop, how many do tests for? When I ask her. When I have this idiot, all the women when in the shop, only you wait test now.
Well.
Women.
Oh no, wait. See this one where I bring come out so. This one now they call Owokan. This one a married woman. This boy is shopper. He shopper. This one a Owokan. This one call her chop. But today is being exposed. This one now they call Owokan. This one call her chop. But today is being exposed. This one now they call Owokan. This one girls man for us. Now passport he can't do for Roman. We take know this boy. Because if they follow, let me say they know they follow for Facebook. So when one can do passport, then you can say one can do passport for Roman. I mean I have walloy. Say this one spend like 1 week before I come out. But today now, there's nowhere to find this one. This one don't go shocking. If you see the way this one is shocking. This lady, if you see the way this lady they go, it goes shocking. The regret way they regret for a life, man. And they see their life. Please be careful. Be careful how dear. Be careful how dear. This boy is a demonic idiot. He dey manipulate you now. He had a spirit of manipulation. He's manipulating you people. See this one. This one
spirit of broken home. Spirit of broken people.
Smoke bowler when they call smoke bowler, so you know they use that. Just that Sylvia, no one can talk through. Say this boy, he liquilize well. Sylvia man not matter. Sylvia man not matter. Say this boy, they liquilize well. This one now go see, but today is being exposed. And the same boy say many don't come chop where they choking. See if they fuck up, he will expose all of them. He talk out for the video where he play us now. He said many days where we never even know. What be this one we don't know so. Say there are still many who will never know. If they do bang, he will expose all of them.
So I see the way they threaten them. You see what they threaten them.
Imagine. Yes, now say go.
See what they threaten you now. Una where they open leg for una see una life. Una no fit talk because una don't open bekus for am. It does screenshot una, don't get all una bekus. You see una life. For where I don't come and come now. Where I don't see am I not dream.
They don't fit talk now. This one, that be Mama Ego. Now this one with the jackpot. You hear me so? Now this one with Mama Ego. This one now with the jackpot. Now this one I collect house. Now this one they say he shop this one for 31 days. He say no rest. Look this mama. He say he shop this one for 31 days. He say no rest. This woman so. Say Bena. Not we not talk about this woman, but this woman collect full beauty for your ass. The only ass where this guy they built for life, this woman collect her for him. I know they expose this boy. Mona know the kind boy will be. Now the name is so. Only this boy, as it won't reach, no woman get better for her. Now they say so. So,
I'm not dream see am o. Because you not see anything talk about me say I show am people. Now you say I dream see am. We are for dream. May break the record. What tell am?
This is Sylvia. Just like this one fine. This one to go fine. Oh. I can't pass it. This one can't go fine now. And this girl fine. What mom will say. This one be Sylvia. Very beautiful girl. Thank you, Mom. This one, that be Sylvia. Very beautiful girl. He fucked this girl up. The blackmailer, you know. Proudmom.com. Yo, a proud mommy Ray. A proud mommy Ray. Proud mom international. Hello, proud mom.
Hello, Tadamo.
Follow us.
Greet you, Rafa. I say, Mujana interview proud mom. Proud mom already to boy now. Wake me. Proud mom, wake me.
Damo, sir.
I greet you. So, proud mom, we fit interview you some more.
La wo go agi hita me ho.
This guy from Omozwo is trying to blackmail you. You understand me? So the thing not go well with us. That thing come and say you cannot blackmail. To show you tell the saga you now on a lie. So debunk out to the whole world so that made them know
Me ma
say.
Francomozo. E ma we mi ku gbo wa re dodo le YouTube jiwo wa me finish.
When Omozo
I
say
say where you wait. I say get patient.
YouTube okpo dodo lo jiwo wa me finish. Ina kpisa ge we ya kpisa ge na pe ina pegbe ina we ni ya mu ko na we ni mu ni eni enwo ofo.
Akoyi.
Hold on, wait. The lady where Frank they say he shook Bola for her yash. Now they talk. So when I listen to what he talk, when I listen to what he talk,
People, I don't know Francomozo before. I don't know before. He only come my house when he go squad with Oibo. He can't hide for Oibo house. They wash car, they wash motor, they lick monopause. They found woman when he want to go take a duro. They say me come out for Deutschland. Now I say my YouTube can't get problem. Now he take come my house can't do YouTube. Oh. We can't dance. Let's just say I dey see am for Facebook. That anxiety now we take dance. Not for relationship. Now YouTube we can't do with 2,600 euros. Say we go share them. As he can't come, he see period suck. You not can see. He see period drink. You not can remember the money again. Now he take forget the 2,600 agreement. He take come say money when he want to do we go share the money. So as my period sweet, he clean the thing red. He see a drink. Now he forget 2,600 euros when he come do.
Now the woman
when he come my house, different women they call him from America. That time he tell me say I bear you when I got mother. Say na so the woman get football for Nigeria. I bear you what they send her money. So as he just come FA for Munich, that woman when he born Bastille, whether they call when they mad near to no many no be Bastille, no be marry father chafty now.
Yeah.
No Munich. So that one costed that 53,000 naira. I cost I say this one I should trust. You come out, I block him. Now you go from Atiti plan. Now Atiti contract to say may you patient, may you collect paper from this but he just talk as a paper now say now maybe government way they give paper. I say I take block. Now one of a party say pala will go. Hey, TMA the bet TMA mumeba idiot now. Now said after 1 month to January from it now they take deport and go Italy. When it take go back to Italy from my house now because of me Oyibo take pursue am. When Oyibo see video that dance video where we do together as he go out Oyibo pursue Oyibo don dey threaten us say if you not come better stay where you dey oh if you not come better stay where you dey oh you not here this him be traditional man say your reach as Oyibo pursue am shame not let her call me again and because I block am now he take go mama ego house go Lale Munopos for 31 days. From there now he take go Italy. The reason why he no fit forget me be say now me be the only hope when he be get now because of me Oyibo. So he not go ever forget me. Me and I not date we not do anything. Now only period to suck.
Now let period they can suck for that side.
Yes, now only period.
Now he can't drink. Now he can't drink. He not cause he
Now he
can't
can't
drink.
drink.
Period.
Now only period he can't drink for this time.
That's what we say. Because
Now let pure water. Now you can't dey talk this one again. When I see what you talk
I
against
don't
this
marry.
lady.
I don't marry. As you see me say, I don't marry. You not let me hear what though. You know they let me rest. So they let my
You want
husband rest.
scatter
So
the marriage. You want scatter your marriage.
you know
Try
the
to
reason
scatter
why
your
they
marriage.
jealous. You know fit scatter my mind. You know why they jealous? My husband, fucking mate. When my husband say they come when he leave Oyibo, man cannot live by bread alone. You understand? So that one come tell am also say, "Wa make sure that for me." Ọ̀dà for me tell you can't be wa. No why ya honey o ma de gbe gbe ọ̀dà for mo we a so oru de kia na.
That
Ebra ko mi
means
ma ya mu eme
okay.
gege ni o ya mu ta de mi da lo.
If 1 year say your husband carry weight for that area.
Yes, now my husband for us for mate when the government collect the pikin based on say she dey chuku around. Now he go
Eh.
tell am. See them no why ya honey. No why ya
Okay,
honey as you don hear that one.
your husband for Kimake go tell Frank say your man
My
big well.
husband, the reason why he leave my husband say my husband be use a caretaker param. Say he not be woman when he like a care. Now it is them my husband tell her my most of the time my husband they jealous he care say so now I just Bradford they enjoy there. Now this reason Bradford they go marry. Bradford not time we marry yet don't we ha ya kele we he yet to no la no e care they care ni Bradford me ba ya baba.
Bradford dey
Is there
enjoy almost was crying.
ọgbọn ní sálàsì rí hun rẹ nìyẹn gbé àárùn dé tó wẹwà mẹtì gbọ ní ká tẹwọ kò náà ọwà lákèmí nà kọkan so ọta ọni ọwà everyday ya kẹsìlì ni mẹ ọkẹsìlì ọ jealous ọdà fọ mẹ ẹyàn bẹẹ.
Jealous. See the message. Wait, Pradman, just 1 minute. May I quick play this area. I'm gonna listen.
na why e be say why e no talk am.
everywhere say because that's last vlog we say don't go we just is a great last game this one.
my brother than the home why e be say as I pursue as I use and drop when e be why you no talk am ever since why e be say na now you no talk am.
Why you not busy and why they talk as sis? Why you not talk as sis? Pradman no be like talk. Why you not talk as sis? Why you busy and why they talk am?
Now they talk
na
am.
my madam listen na my madam talk am say yẹn bia yẹ kia ni yẹn ma enjoy me say ti bia yẹ kia ni ma enjoy.
Yeah.
Me say ti bia yẹ kia ni ma enjoy my brother. Èrò ti láti ọ̀dà fún mi ìdájọ́ gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ yẹn yà bíẹ́ ẹlẹ́lẹ́bi rẹ̀ rí ewu à. Eke lọ la wẹ̀ ṣe ìwà ní námọ̀sì kẹ́ ìwà mọ̀ námọ̀sì yẹn ni ma enjoy. Ìsù ọ̀wẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ na láwọn pregnancy. God forbid. Oh, ni enatari e woni sa we de kia ni ya woni sa abi kwa no one year for the mother nye me kia
Okay, Muda.
abi fie kwa me e kia
Salasi ara you why you go marry Nigeria.
What the fuck you dey my Frank la o ije baba e ko wa la o da you marry your mom when you get
picture that for me when no more picture that for me no ya wu no mu
we no ya leru eri be ba me o ge no gie we no more picture that for we no ge ni ya leru baba
okay me no ra be won ko wu ba ko wu o we camera down we can wu ga ni oh, we camera down years of almost 50 ọgbana na ọtún ugwu wa gbọ́n. 50 years of wa gbana ọwọ́ èèyàn kan rí according to him wọ́n àmú ètètè náà yìí pọ̀ bá pọ̀ according to him.
Àìpètètè ìrìpò bá pọ̀.
Ọ̀dà àdìpọ̀ bá pọ̀.
Salasi we marry.
When no create go fund me, here you have donate go no ya we BBL. When you can donate go no ya we ga big na ni masik dia na. Iya ni suspect okwo no mare oni. O igwa mi awo se no gugi o we to wa aganya yin because yin me self confidence so one wa me kind of polo. O say suspect we ba gbon because e mo emi ni wa me. Okwo no mare na egbe oko because o wa mi o ma okwo ni awa get that we to wa ho because yin me kia na ya we.
Awiyeri ya wasilia iko yen wase silia wasilia
mudane o yin fi we ti ko like yen ni yen aja hon gon we start ya yi ko ne ni o yin re do test we na la logwe ha si se bo na wa la lo yin bo yen ya mu ene no la lo o si e yin lo lo fe ro see ya ke no gila lo hu he no tegbe.
Yes, now.
But I notice someone if you don't like prayer point of God, you know your zam.
Yes.
You know what biale toy. That is what he's praying for. He's praying for. Hey,
Imagine.
I walk the man they say one more thing. I want and they pray for me.
Speaking
If you
English,
don't
I'm
like
not
it, you
carrying
your zam.
Ya gbota for me de gbe ke gbe
Black
oni
man
e o
speaking
ni wa
English, but I'm
ko
not
e
for the
ba
year. Everybody for the year.
ni e so ge bo ya ta me we ta for me odokun no bodo. Since there o ma de gbe ke gbe because ni e ya we video wa ya ke video no ya saka ta for me last year.
Black man, don't speak English now. Don't move for carry everybody along, I beg.
Okay, the reason why I'm also the jealous my husband. Now my husband
Thank you.
fucking mates. Now my husband has fucking mates. Now I can't tell most of say my husband if you want use cucumber take my hand. Now I make her leave my husband. So, you know she not get strength to do my husband to do vaga. Say and that girl now they message my husband at that time. Say now let my husband come back now. Now let you they make me come. I beg, no leave me oh, no leave me oh. I suppose you hear all those ones. Then you say, oh, again, I will enjoy. Again, what till they pay now? Be say I can't marry. You don't see what till they test if ya. When mommy no money, ya. When mommy no money, if you say I be Becky, where she you go fit pursue enter house. Iye oge Becky me.
Dopriso, here was you. Og you. Pramo megui eke agele yetu abitu wa bawa.
Ima bege the public.
Speak English.
Now what did they from mom? Now they found not say the dollar for big dollar come out.
One no you go for am me then you wa bege ya bege the public. Ima bege. And the man okay dokpa you wa me na na we cha we turn on the so for the transfer ima be notice. Me no don't know
and the problem me to be answer question you go problem you marry ne all that people your one you cannot answer such question.
A public in a bege wa je onu ye bege ore page me the problem this TV aka the woman of truth. He had go and get you wa. He had go and get you wa.
I show I post a platform where.
Ya the best show there na no wa ya ge.
Imagine, you know what I'm going to do.
No, let me people they watch us. When I speak English, no, let me people they watch us.
He did my big page. I saw Frank there. Now, toss this ghost toss you. He can't help me build page. He can't help me do YouTube. He see my period, say my period fine when I go wash. He put mat for Batuana Lalisagi. I went to prove me saying love me. Now, not Kisagi to Professor Love. You know where
to prove saying love you.
To prove saying love me, honest Wahala Listagin, where he can do anything for me. You know where you are to here. He said the Lona. He wa biekba. He wa ya.
This divine say he dey toast everybody they go. Ove toast the divine.
He just dey toast everybody they go.
Divine
say they toast
everybody.
This one toast me oh.
Don't go on. The divine what about toast table here?
You go record in a pecus.
Divine come talk to us. Divine what toasting here? We what's up? Divine.
Now toast he toast my enemy that time oh. No be we not get anything where we do it come oh. Since I don't marry, not let me rest.
Everywhere say, because that's if love do say.
Okay, one is that's your tokuno we done people tokuno.
Esa so pogbo. One sala so ga gbo we gbo mama.
E proud me like police awo.
I know that so you tell me married woman, married woman not talk again. He can't go on prison with them. Married woman not talk again. Married woman not talk again. Na prison with them. Married woman not talk again. Now married woman not talk again.
Now only married man supposed talk.
And a married man supposed talking. We not dey prison.
Yes, married man.
Married man give go because they are married.
They are hearing people wagwan.
As he told me, oh, he carried my period. He carried my period. That's why I'm going away. I did me. I want to wear. Last time I want to.
This is the first lady that exposed France and leaky period.
Me you know what German document cannot do does not exist.
Does not exist.
If Frankie Bonnet,
better for again.
you did look for German document for exact because.
You like the period is Professor Love.
Oyibo no fit give a document. Now Pramo I can give a document.
About you.
When he leave the period,
Oyibo when he go live with Oyibo direct they pay 700 euro as rent. Oyibo married to South America man. The Oyibo pikin dey America. The Oyibo born for Igbo man. The pikin come by now they take give the Igbo man paper. So now Oyibo he don't still shake away. He don't follow black. Now he go they wash car for. If Oyibo pikin they come, almost Oyibo go pursue and come up for us. May go outside, almost go out for somewhere before Oyibo pikin.
That's the mango tree.
You know see. Now ask what he go do for Chebio. First trip when almost come, he beat woman and they deport him. He can't come again, can't hide for Oyibo. Now Jamie be dream before.
But there's not black woman. They say they with two black woman, not be Oyibo.
When Oyibo, he first stay with Oyibo before he go stay with that black woman. This will not be same maths. Now Oyibo woman can't drop her for train station for Stuttgart when he got a stock video do YouTube.
May I bring one Oyibo come out? When this Oyibo, wait, may I bring this Oyibo come out? If not this Oyibo, we go stay with.
What I'm going now, one boy social media.
All they talk like better person. I'll just be laughing. Hey, una easy to deceive. Una easy to deceive. Now ask boy, you go to follow Ibo. Now Ibo the parent now they do pizza for YouTube money and Facebook money. When you say they do sagada here. When they put na work your master. Now Ibo now they feed Ibo when no he made Ibo they give the paper. Come on, made address or Ibo no give them. He called the fan woman when he want to go take Aduro because they don't first deport him. He hides for Jamie. So my pay for him now everlasting because now let me I disappoint her too much. A penny area all that is again kwaka. On we say for nothing. Woman when he sleep on for her. Woman when he go open her for her now one chance we dey here. Woman, when you go open app, now double single mother now you go end. We dey here they wash. Person when they call he godmother, a woman when he give her a basti when he born for Nigeria. That one when they call and they swear Ogun for his mama. Ogun mu gbijo ni mu gbero ni mu gboko. Oni egi me se okwo no ya so no gi no ritali no gi do ari okwa. Ogun mu gbe every day. Ogun. Now they swear for that one mama. When they say me he call saga my mama, me not get platform to saga my mama. If I want to, God forbid me. I never saga my brother finish, talk less of my own precious mother. Wait for you, may say very
If you come out if he doesn't say you the bitter, you go the use lie. When we no to go give you.
Yagi, which you may say bonnie ni ala dogbe. Me platform, I not get platform. Okay, when how long me and I not stay together. When that one cut, I call her for phone. I be when under 1 week. Now all those ones just happen. Now I make who won't believe and I type of men I go believe them. Me I make me not they send the saga because me not they look at to now this Oyibo yes now this woman. Now this woman.
Now this one put her for us or Jamie.
Yes, now this woman. That time she was almost 70-something years.
That is the deputy of.
Now this woman, like she got a lick and no pause.
Amazon. That is the deputy for us or Jamie.
If ever I trust you, I don't trust you. Trust now.
Okay, not the back man. No wonder. Who is the good babe?
Amazon.
La this Uber. Na me come o. Ye me yeke mo ku are Italy. Na me pursue I go Italy where he take all Ibo come see video where we do for my house. Now Ibo take pursue. So everlasting cry na me wish na go ever. You cannot do without me.
So this is the day Africa one go Africa manage you no kwa.
It's choice. A choice okay what they know. A choice. Now what if it's satisfied? So you know so this old women where you don't take where they do rich. It being at the tight now you allow every time. So now only what if he keep. Eating no fit keep young girls when e still dey bring water. You know say if woman wet, e get in a better cucumber go fit tight am. Ve no yin wache na gi wet na gi stock. E mu no posi. E na gi so na e choice na wetin na we no ma je. I have a baby bros. Everything a choice. If you want marry, and if you still say you be woman when you like to they go every time, marry woman when you like to they go every time. When not say
woman tell you say period never dry. Una mulu you way.
Na elyin wa àwọn vampire.
Ọwọ́ àwọn.
A vampire.
Woman tell you say period never dry. You put mouth inside.
A vampire. Or like it's like big kala. Ku. A boy not suppose not just competition of Isaac and Alalo. On win. On your value specialize in. They be take congratulations.
He reach near side. Of course, side on this one.
Go better. What you careful we are no. If ni me amu kwa ye nwo.
You don't say me dey you go attack.
Becky we are no where you are recent Becky. So Becky we are no any.
He said Becky.
Yeah, a person something almost 6K are recent Becky. So we Becky are one man or one sell tada.
Say Becky guy.
Say Becky your sister Zoe.
Say Becky ona be zigogbe. Ona be zigogbe.
Say Becky.
Respect your husband, make you shame. Respect your husband.
Come on, yeah.
Una dey present for public marriage women don dey fuck una don dey una make us dey clapade. Una make us dey clapade. Una go dey come public come dey fuck.
The priest, where you know say no most on azuo. Oh, where that we marry no he go me go bata.
Yes.
Abata.
You know see the lady wey dey saga this lady. Make the lady not talk. Make the lady not talk. You know see the lady wey dey saga the lady. Make the lady not talk.
I go talk.
Person wey people like they don go Nigeria they make we go dey clapade for hotel. They come public come dey fuck.
I go talk. Ijo. People when they teach care make us the day husband has.
The day husband. So for me you know yourself. Talk and know yourself. Now be the D. Talk and know yourself.
You dey here where you dey use like saga the woman. Make the woman not come. May not the
so marriage about that marriage unless you
I be learner. Here go from the public.
Why me not the answer am not because I dey husband has. I not the answer am based on say he never upgrade. He not get any. He too poor.
Social media president.
Money not there. Nothing. Now make it not there. Not because of marriage.
First lady in the building. Social media president. Why?
Hello.
Mama, hello, Bell.
Ogbe sana my brother. Wayato. Me wa climb odukuba. Again, you know wa go abanwe. Make it the shame, make it house. This girl, now God, I go punish you this morning. Now God, they open toto for her. Now God, I go punish you this morning. Now God go kiss you.
A marriage,
for you to climb up here.
Marriage.
Talk nonsense. Now God, I go punish you. Because the way that boy did it to the late woman, now not the same for social media. As mama not read to say, now your toto de crapade. Your toto de crapade. Your toto de crapade. Because who marry? That person wey marry, she not go fit talk again because they shame her for marriages. That marriage where he enter, they shame her there. Make you know they fit talk. This guy, now God now go punish you. For you to climb up here, say make it the shame. Do the shame. When you don't open your toto, go they give name for social media. Do the shame. Your toto where they clapade. Foolish people.
Osanoma c'est problème social media.
How you done?
Osanoma, c'est problème social media. Any toto we no make sense now. Il déclapate.
Eh mata biara teta. Abianya na muegia no. Odiara tevita.
No déclapate.
Odiara mate vita. Ohu ya clapate. Otevita. Abianya muegia. Again, you want to more good.
Where's it?
Emane kwemu. Ni ya popo yo mozuo eh. Wa be get
you see so all these women they debunk the lies where they lie against them. For you to stay the list.
Ekwemu eh. Okay, munu jo je waste product everything. O ma get setback, you know. Oh, so what more?
Pas de demi pas ni archive no ke la lisaki.
Usome ta all life from Komozu egbe. E platform bi lu egbe na. Ori odon ri la wa ne. Omo na ri o to na biye. Gbe Yesu o live video. 2026 ma ye ti mo ekoloku. Wa defiamu wa. When the platform o can talk boy. Can anyone that for nu ti abona? O can lo wa. Omozuo na muje waste product wa so wa we agwo lenu we agwo akiana lena gbon gba we na we e sagan o ya meti mo ma nwe sagan meti
Every man with the saga S. Your up I consider your S all the time. Okay, back over here. Is the pain? Is pain?
Omozuo woke itabegbe Bradmon uzeta tata viere na do ari Nigeria ewe me biyan we dey pay da final ye page do wana awe ma journal area mi gisia iriado area mi gisia
Make the monkey shadow.
wa so me dan lawe gbe wo wie all lawe gbe wa vie yore all lawe gbe kiana thank God na e moya fe keno yevete e ya gba we na media paper you not get you dey liquor always product they go if you talk na you
immigrants
wa one way we are no we are matodo wa so wa gbon la ni su wa my people idame uwa bana ban o se na nyodu again ni wa mo bo wa nyodu na ashawo nu we clapade
no na ri clapade
This one, where's say mama? This one are the Peking way born for Nigeria. This is less boy. Or more than
Allegedly.
one of the six. No, bell allegedly. See Peking or more we be in Nigeria. Why this na Peking way say born. Or more we be in Nigeria. Person way be say see where the Peking for do.
God forbid, I not go back.
See person where the see where Peking for do Photoshop can't give you papa for abroad. This na Photoshop where Francomoz or Peking do. Allegedly Peking where mama not a talker. Allegedly. Allegedly. See, as the boy useless rich. Now this one called the turtle now way better passer for abroad. Proud mom. Anything where tell you, I get boy proud mom. Anything where this boy tell you, I get boy proud mom. Is it dead among the living? I get boy proud mom. Anything I tell you, I get boy for real.
Hello? Na photo shoot, I been a Photoshop. Cow. Photo shoot, I be Photoshop.
You say? We have to do Tana. We have to do Tana. If the pepper on say we dey disgrace this boy, we will continue to disgrace her. Photo shoot.
Maybe photo shoot or Photoshop or photo wash.
I don't call her Photoshop. Photo shoot. Photo shoot almost. See the picky way. Allegedly. Mwebogbe say, mwebogbe.
Mwebogbe la moji apa ni gogori eto. Family wa me gbe ma ho likili gege mo.
Omona, mwebogbe
nu gbe wa gbon. About that, he na go cry blood. That blood na go cry. I never see anything. If I come out, see picky where they take. Not be even get an he brother picky where by leave. Gonna merge here. No soon. We're gonna merge your benny.
Omona de mi no mommy.
Lack of food, no lack of food.
A beggar. When I walk on, I'm not ready to keep pure water.
I swear.
Pure water here. No, waru lele moto gole or walk pure water here. Yo, era la lisa webo. Your father is like.
Gani e kere obie.
Era wala lo le dia omo.
They go cry. Now maybe don't praise. They never see anything. They go cry. Yeah, Kevin, and they push you. May your muscle fall out. He go cry. Except say, go leave all these women alone. He go they do your, but they see content where they do say, no be this women be problem. No be our Benin be problem. May face Lagos State, Kaduna they there. There are people in Kaduna. There are people in Ogun State. There are people in Zara. May they talk about Zara people. Leave those people alone. JKV, tell us say, make it talk about people with the Zara. Emare Zara. People they Kogi. May they talk about people with the Kogi. May leave those people alone. Leave those people. Otherwise, I will do now what people not will like. People will cry tire. I will do now what people not will like. Now let your picking. Now they beat for social media. Now they bring other place picking comment. JKV, you want to fracomozo because I defend my picking. That make me the beat now well. I know they kind of that person picking man for social media. Go ask. Apart from the time where I say the John at that time. Apart from the time where I say the John at that time. Apart from that one, I know they kind of that person picking comments. I get sense. I know what I'm doing. So fracomozo, go reach. Even though so you never see born. Anybody will they close to you where I see, I will sack at that person. For real. You never see anything. You are a mugu. Come do saga now. See everybody who don't bring years. Nobody talk about all these are presenter. Now full years since. Nobody talk about you good. You know how many presenters don't bring years? You know how many presenters don't come talk years? Nobody's talking about you good. You are a nuisance to the Dosaba space. Ubel. So more listening to the what you talk about those women when they go Nigeria. Now they play us now. The women where they go Nigeria, now when they play us now, more see the way they year women where they go Nigeria. It was when I see the video, I was ashamed. Ah yeah.
Now they go Nigeria. In short, 85% of some of these women, when they always go Nigeria every year, so when they find black boy for Nigeria, they are HIV patients. They are living on that drugs. They got one communicable disease, one and the other. Some are hepatitis C patients. Many of them buy tickets now that they go Nigeria. The best way to sleep, and when they don't rap, hold on. Put up for chest, can't use your brisa, Teresa go. Put oil for the hot, make it shine. You were then Nigeria, you say Jando, see Bobby. Brother, now when you go offload that breast, you will see the breast, baby. Some of the breast will sit down, going to shake her. You can leave you when a tiger leave you when
now this guy will be the describe so. See us what? You know why they describe her? Mama Kevin, see, if Mama Kevin remove Breza, eya dele kwane. And when like Balagbani Jeko, I can't remember Mama Kevin. That is why they describe her to people. See Mama Kevin breast, Oga Ke Breza, like Balagbani Jeko, abi wati.
Again, slippers. They're not care who are man. Slippers.
Listen. Breast way big, way gay me, way full. It makes sense. Not be one way come make slippers. All the way slippers. Mama like any. The one way they full. You go full your face and do pillow. Wait till move your baba. You they take it back tomorrow. Tomorrow they will call. Yo, everywhere go full. If the thing stand, you see I say you come back say it's strong some more. Oh, more no go point. Frankie Gualok, your mammy, you know, yamu, I walk you now, slippers, up the leg. If this one open this chat way, it's short. Now bring work on wagon or pack, wagon packing.
Iye Kevigi Sakan, or Isaka Yekia, again, what did Yakia be? Or Ikulo Vikia? People ma we fit say your husband go last too small. Now what you
Person we use the pikin to also man. What do you expect? He must account for prick now. Oh, yeah, also Frankie. Oh, the moment you gotta use your breast, so they pray.
You see the way they pack her
So they pray for man we never
when I see
see.
the way
Oh my
the woman they
God.
pack her, he pack her, and when I got here, why not pack her?
Okay, a story about time now. The Priscilla, we video now. Video, why we better play? Do curry man, we don't forget.
I tell you from Komozo. Wait till they admire ram. Oh, yeah, oh, no, admire.
Oh, make it again. I will better play people don't forget. A video na a picture na ya show a video na unige when ya Frankie when ya nwele rune na this video na kina why they better play
ya to my delete ya gwalo
a lot of us don't forget what he talk now we better read like
so I tell me tell from Komozo.
I tell me I got to use bread they pray for her.
and when I
president enjoy ya joy o wa la wenwe fo o separate almost yami me ya jogi me o separate almost re we president wa la wenwe when I go
that's what I call packing things. Frank for those 60 days never old. You pack it so that the most are beg most I never old. I see the game. I see the I when I know where or move that up. I when I know where. So almost what they want they check all those who get almost to the John loss. Even almost know what John loss. Now we are going when we are mona. You for the because you're fair for you not to say fair. Not fair. I been in well at the half one. May I bring the food bread? May I go block this my car? I for open the
then your money achieve your driving license. All what you do achieve for entire life, not a driving license. On your the also Frankie na rules you know achieve a life for if they find out now that driving license is fake because anything is possible in Italy. Every year what possible in Italy. Driving license in the every area because you can't even na driving license. You don't have that brain.
You were in Nigeria for your own good. Before they knock Jando, go do tests with them. Make sure so you get test complete, in blood test, everything they complete. Wesley Hotel, don't carry load now. Wesley, Asoro, Obewa, Damosa, I greet you. Because most of the Jando when they come Nigeria, they see it all. And they shout and they raise my voice now. Make una they hear. I don't want to hear the story as touch. All because of the 15 euro what he go give you. You go carry your special bonus they put for sickness. You go dey swim for
all the one where you do shops is there. You no put bonus for sickness. No be Jando you the shops is. No be Jando they be. All the even go reach this market where you don't want that. You not get sickness. Now what good jealousy or what that way you have a Nigeria I enjoy. One of the go one go me go. So if you get husband, arrange yourself. I want to preach say if you get husband make the chop bola for us, it don't make sense. You are destroying the man career, you dey destroy your career too. You see, so if you don't say you don't need the man again, you tell the man say you don't need that again, you cut everything, if you go do your thing. Not when you put man for abroad, you go Nigeria. If you know something they do, wanna stop her. Because at the male now they tell useless, the man can't they useless. This boy now, you buy some of them when they shop for here. So don't they go Nigeria now, I make her the verse. As one up. Now your balance because only one person and then they saga all of them now. Because of only one person, if you the saga the whole women. Now fool. Now listen.
Now they hear. I don't want to hear the story as touch. All because of the 15 euro what he go give you. You go carry your special bonus they put for sickness. You go dey swim for sickness. You go drink your get your guy. You want make her come, want make her satisfy. Mama the mama. You don't know say mama get sickness.
Imagine.
Mama they like they give you one finger. Bible, they give you one finger. Bible. You don't know what in this mama they work for. Umay mi amene ejado be. Ejado ya for what then because of a party equality arawiku awana ni amu ye January. Eya tuole wa. Eya ye ebi ya for o pesos ye. No organic career so. ya police ya dio one now. Ya finally ko ya West ya soro there. Ya gbewe kwa. Ya you get my point now.
Na this year.
Where you know biani. No ma ye jado da ka we bo ready kwa e. No me kera ye ni hire mu da ku serwa. O e mi amia we e mi ya e bu hia. O ko no pe o we do wi e. O e mi no ga no nya gbe.
What's that place? Make I answer that place where say here wafua. Frank wafua. You know, sister Frank the white. He be like person where they pour powder for a body. If one of them wear infection for Toto. You know, say infection. That white when they come out for say infection. Frank the sucker and I make the foie. The hair can't go inside. Frank be like person when they shave. His head can't go inside. He can't the foie. If what like Snow White.
Yeah, well, hello. That one white.
Yes, in the network.
Okay. That one white tea where they that one white tea where they come on sack bakers. If they suck, they get by it.
If me out na take account to get to, they come with take account to. You know, say infection now. That one waiting when they come outside. Nice, as Frank they solve those things. So if they make an efua, nya woman efua, nya efua. You know, not say as Frank, he don't old. He can't be like who they white. He hair can't go inside.
Una do ever see Frank eat vegetable once? It's more black soup. It's more black. Why am you all the vegetables there? He not there heady. My body the vegetable there. It's more black soup. It's more black soup every day. Some more black soup. If after that one, stew and rice with tomatoes or folk, they boil the way. Now make it drink. Any matter na ya four. Can we wait down? Can we wait no lalo?
Sister Nickman, yeah. Sister, you don't go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna listen.
Associé no organic ya kieso. Ya police ya dio one now. Ya finally ko ya West ya soro there. Ya gbewe kwa. Ya you get my point now. Where you know biani. No ma ye jado da ka we bo ready kwa e. No me kere ni hire mu da ku serwa. O e mi amia we e mi ya e bu hia. O ko no fe o wa do wi e. O e mi no ga no nya gbe. Mo ki tamu wana. O ko no ri ko no gbe do gbe ka yo he ka we buri. E di bu wa e won do le we buri to mo ni ari yo mo dia. O se ni mo ya yes school no ko ya yo mo yes school no ya we school on. E ya take ticket nya.
Okay, the same women wey say they get husband, they get children. So all those husbands still get HIV for abroad. All those children get HIV, abi? Now, because your mind you talk now say all of them get HIV. The same you still they talk say the same women leave picky for husband. Almost you are confused. You are a confused element. You are the one who said these women have HIV. They are going to Nigeria. That the men in Nigeria should not be carrying them. So that never come they give you pekus they do. You don't do this more than 10 where we say we don't know for this social more than 10 women. Now you're not telling people in Nigeria may not do. My sister, my brother, if you did Nigeria, it's your opportunity to go 1 week off a bro carry. My brother, you did Nigeria, they watch me, you see single mother or anyone where be say they single, you come for abroad. Oga shook head. If it be your luck, the girl if you go fall in love with you, your life will start there. So don't look this boy, what did they talk? He's a confused illiterate. So if you see any lady where he come from Europe, he love you, show her love back. So that in case if he come this side, your matter will day mad. Now so, if you know you are single, and so it be. But for those of now where they go knock on their ass, they say so they go knock their ass. Their ass when they live for Nigeria, they'll go back go knock on they fool on themselves. The ass they look on like fool, they look on like mumu. Mostly ass when see say you don't go born for abroad, you don't go born for other man. You can't see carry that make you still do. That ass not love you. Now your money you want your chop your money disgrace you. You hear me so? That your ass he not love you. Because if you did Nigeria with her, You don't go born for Nigeria, born for different men. That your ass not carry you. If na Nigeria you dey, say you don't born for that man, that your ass no will carry you. But because you dey abroad, as you come, you know say money dey with you. You overcome play. No matter anything will happen, you go one day still chop you. He not love you. And you're therefore, and you take distress for life. Not that your ass dey. Not that your ass dey. So for you to even give that your ass, fair another person give. Fair another person give. But this thing what they talk, so I know say most of them no will take and go now. This is not play. No, not be play. You cannot go back to that your ass. Maybe after no. Nothing say will love you now. Nothing say will love you. And your money is there after. Okay? So I'm not listening.
Person born they put for sickness. You go dey sleep for sickness. You go drink your guy. You want make her calm, want make her satisfied. Mama the mama. You don't know say mama get sickness. Mama they fought like give me one thing.
You know like that, they use your real tongue. Now who put condom for something they delete all the old nyash go. You know like that, say we may get sickness. You don't ever put condom for your tongue one. If Frankie egg be condom, ya le there. Ah le ri ya no ya le only son.
Avec condom ya ne.
Egg be condom ya le there. Everyone no. No be you don't ever put condom for tongue once.
Because of a party, equality, how we cook, how now. Near January. A year to all the war. A year a beer ya what or pesos ye. No organic cribia, so. A year police. Ya one now. Yeah, if you go ya West ya sorrow there. Ya be with one. You get my point now. Where you know we are in? No ma ye chadon da ka we for ready boy. No make ready me ni da mu serwa. O e mi amia we e mi ya ibu kan. O ko no be o we do wi e. O e mi me no ga no nya gbe. Mo ki tamu wa na. O ko no ri ko nu gbe do gbe ki ayin o he ye ka we bori. E people who were more done we bori do mo yi have yo mo ya. Ayera. O say ni mo ya ye school no ko ya fi mo ye school no ya we school wrong. E ya dedicate nya le wa.
Ayera.
Yari. On ya gbona se o. E ki o ya no ye nya ri ko le we. Kundo pe bi agari an bere de ye. Na ya bi so wa gili ogono do. Odo na ido yo be webo. O se no ke no ko ya yo go. E wa ya na gbe po ani wa. Ya do ke la ticket. Ala me emiti ado oyo yo. Eli se le do oyo. O ko no ne gbe no we ere ni majena. Uso ani malaida e su kusu we webo. Ya fu so no de ba no na de ya we na.
Any woman wey leave pikin for abroad, e reach time with start school, e not start school, don't collect those children for her. All those one lie wey they talk. Nobody go feel leave pikin 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, pikin not call school. The school will not call the parents. Not be like Africa. Oh, 1 day, only 1 day, pikin not call school. They must call the mother. Why this boy call the lie?
Always crash. Now let you when they crash, say you feel live there for 1 week or 2 weeks, and you'll see call the school. Say
pikin wey don dey primary 1, primary 2, primary 3.
For primary school, not dey possible, they not agree.
That pikin no go school for 1 day. Maybe they not call.
No, for crash, not they call. The principal crash here call. The material kindergarten with day call.
Not crash in school. A day can you crash in school? I talking from primary 1 upwards.
For primary 1, yes, you are right. They not agree for Jamie.
Primary 1 for abroad, primary 2. I bet Mona call the talk now. Now we know these things. Mona call the talk.
No, not true to Frank. Say that pikin no way.
Hello, Mama go. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Mommy Laura. I beg for France for here. We they call because me I get people where they go crash. I get people where they go primary school. I get people where they go get for here. Then they call for France here. If they even for
if you pass 1 day, pikin no go school, say they must call you.
Crash. They'll tell me say if you don't call that day, make I call them before 8 o'clock. So I need to call them before that 8 o'clock. So don't be for where we there for France here. We they call them. Even say
everywhere for France.
Even my daughter will take marriage school self. If you not go school, maybe get appointment, I'll go. I need to go take a doctor certificate. Go get them for school. This is why I not take call school. Even my son self, I'll still go submit some which is the grand session for year. Try get it for year. With they go marriage school September. You understand? So for year. That way Frakobu will get the talk. Na lie.
Be lie.
Frakobu
it be like that he gets sense. That's a big talk.
My son said that Frakobu. But I call that Frakobu. They fit am. Frakobu. So that
Frakobu. Frakobu.
Any Frankie walk any walk ne they cry obey Frankie any walk
My people, more than that have a comment section. How the power tap again. My people, more than that have a comment section. Frakom Omue, more than that have a comment section.
Give me the code. Where is the code?
More than that have a comment section. So why does this so that made the for make sense so that people when they watch the video the things are true they talk or they fact or real women, these are lies. Any woman will be say if they come, any woman will be say if they go Nigeria, if they schedule going, if they schedule going, any woman they must schedule are going. If not 3 days remember they take start school, 5 days from there, the woman don't call us.
You know, my sister traveling next week, February.
Yeah.
She had to travel a day before. Maybe a day after before the holiday.
So the young I tell you so. So now so it be. They the planner. Even though they never plan before, even though they flight even delay, it must call person where they near us of your money in school. Because if you don't do it, you'll get problem. For government, you'll get problem so for this boy to come and be lying against these women is shameful, it's painful. If they pay me, I know that they pay now. I don't know that they pay now, but for me, if they pay me, say they laugh on our head. Well, I'm not listening.
Imagine now, who saw the man like that? Eh, so who's swear the weapon? You have to saw no, they were not that day. You have one. Eh, so who's swear the weapon? Eh, on a me your mom. No, your mom just weapon. Or Nigeria we na gona.
Say the lie.
Or Nigeria we na gona. One no we know we Nigeria.
Say the lie.
Oh my way. Oh my any a do your wa. Oh any a committee. Oh any a anniversary. E ya tori. Beni ya tori e ya vie mi a tori. Do go my kam wa. Beni do tori. E ya vie mi a tori. Ali yo na go vie mo ye school. They are not buying tickets going home. They school swene. Iya ya gwa le kebla boy. Akwa ye we do agbe awe frak de gbigbo. Why we no boss no here ajo January? The highest match it been a race when match everybody ma do one way a bullshit perspective or what so see. A vast or area of community or where precious made.
Only
one
they fat.
You know
the one they pay me pass. Only this way they fat all the women with this about space. Hey, Stella, what I said. Only this boy, only they fat all the old women with those about space. Only no women when they fat. Only you fat Susie, fat Precious Meg, fat let us say, fat Mama Nora, fat Essay, fat Yenu Kokomo, fat. You know how many women? Only you want. You're the fat all of them. And Mama Kevin is happy for you. Say you be enemy of everybody in social media. Mama Kevin, they clap for you. Mama Kevin, they clap for your stupidity because he had to be a con. You cannot be enemy of all the old women in social media because you start to the saga there. Only you want. You they get problem from one place to another place. You are happy over it. Also fine. Your wife family they suffer. They disgrace them for social media. You know the shame. Only you want to say everybody not good. Now you come good. Those days why they grow, they come. If one person say everybody not good, you know say that one person a bad person. You know say that you know if you say everybody not good. Only you want all the women, no woman go for where you dey. You they insult all the old women. Imagine what you are saying. See, women where they go Nigeria get HIV, but it not go down well with me. It not go down well with me, eh? What you talk? It not go down well with me.
In short, 85% of some of these women, where they was they go Nigeria every year, so go to find black boy for Nigeria. They are HIV patients.
Imagine.
They are living under drugs. They get one communicable disease, one or the other. So now hepatitis B patients. Many of their buy tickets now that they go Nigeria. The breast where don't sleep, and when they don't wrap further, put her for chest, can't use your Bobrisa, Teresa, go. Put oil for the hop, make it shine. You were there in Nigeria, you go see Jando, see Bombi. Brother, now when you go offload that breast, you go see the breast, they baby. Some of the breast go sit down, go to shake her. You can leave your when it take a leave your when it take a leave your when. Now, many of the Bombi, that's what it be. You not go check. You not go say they do test give you before you they put pick for Toto for Jando Toto. Most Jando they come.
The woman when you put for us, now your wife be this way put for us. Wanna ask who this your wife? Which women better pass? All the women where they go Nigeria, make sure one more big day come and more see this your wife where you put for us now. Which one better pass? More see my people. This is wife where you put for us now. This mama Kevin or Zoana. More than ask now say. All the women when they suffer, they go Nigeria now say they get HIV. This one not get HIV. Oh, where no. This woman now, it better pass all the women when they go Nigeria. See wife where people for us, where they condemn people whoever. See wife where mama where Francomoso put for us. But you they condemn people, they condemn all these women. Where be see they did where. We will not got to boy. We will not know about we not got to boy. We got to boy avant. Any Kaogasi was that for real. Look at what you are doing. Nonsense. What are listening?
As with sickness. Oga, you were there Nigeria for your own good. Before you knock Jando, go do tests with them. Make sure so you get test complete, in blood test, everything they complete. Wesley Hotel, don't carry those now. Wesley, Asoro, I greet you. Because most of the Jando when they come Nigeria, they see it. And they shout, and they raise my voice now. Make una the year. I know.
Everybody power tap. I'm gonna send me gift. I'm gonna gift you.
Sickness. You go drink get your guy. You want make her come, why can't satisfy? Mama, you don't know say mama get sickness. Mama they give you one finger. Give you one finger. You don't know what in mama they want.
Mama send us give.
Because of a party, equality, January. No organic criminal so. Ya police ya your one now. Ya finally ko ya Wesley Asoro there. Ya gbe with wa. Ya. You get my point now. Where you know we are in. No ma ye jado da ka we bo ready gwe. No make that ni kire mu da u sero.
Mama. Jamin.
Oh, we ya e bu kian. Nya gbe. Mokitamu wana. I came back walking up. Yari. Only a bonus. I took no here. Who don't make the Agarian. Now you is working your no door. Or don't I do your go. Oh, say not to where you go. If I am a big boy, you are going to tickets. I am a meeting at all. Or yo. Say this no, or yo. Oh, well, I never know where I imagine now. Who saw animal like that?
Germany enjoy.
Yeah, you saw no, they are not day. It's a goose when they will. I only need your mom. No, your mother's go. Or Nigeria na gona. Or Nigeria na gona. One no Nigeria. Oh my way. Oh my any do your way. Oh any committee. any hour the vasi a yaturi. Then yaturi in a Vietnam do a mining and wa. Then you do touri, if you have Vietnam touri. I mean, you're not going to be my school. They are not buying tickets going home. The school swinging. Here I have what they keep that boy. I'm where you do. I'm here. I will practice big hole. Why have you no boss to me? I do what January. The highest match in Biname swing. Match a man matter where a bullshit perspective or what's to see. A vast or area of community or what precious man. A mama yaje. Every of here, the day you say you be a. All the paper. In around the March, in around the January. Yeah, it's my book in March of very like big. When we are working at a Wesley Hotel, I will do it. Can not get a fancy at Wesley Hotel. Mother, don't. I want you. Why are you home? As the Lord had up by Yassipaka. Let you up of heaven. Only you want. A lady of a deity. A lady of a boat. If I did the area, you will because who I am Joanna. Only you want all your women. Only you want. If you go to where about it's a good one. If you marry at the Jacademo or marry at the Jacka Nemo, who put the most of a horror. I may get back for the past 1 week. I may kill no stopping. Who want me now at the school? I mean, you're not going to go shopping. Who want more job? Who want me when more at school? No, I'm showing you. Near why I there is market. Here, a boy in error. They have to take it where I will keep that boy. Here, I will keep that boy. Not if you want to say daddy, or if you want to say daddy as a single mother. Or dedicate to here, I will keep that boy in Nigeria. Because I don't want to get soon that money. Now you get the money, they get money. I can hold you here. Why a risk? Ni kwesori barikia. Ina cover up. Ina wefe ona hewa anniversary, ona hewa party, ona quick committee, owa event. Ope no Kenya me. Imi wa do money. I wa do ma so bi. Ni party. We dey party aye. A boy near where can go phone next money ade. Ona ya pick effort. When the woman is going so all his sakase, usaka mo ya no manyanya. Now they can already black boy no way as young single mother. On a black boy.
My people, when I want to hear more liver, when I want to hear, I never tire. Or more come later the day. Give me water there. I never tire. No. I never tire. If you're not tired, I'm not saying yes. So I'm going to come out later in the evening. If you're not tired, I'm not telling me no. We'll continue. The main way here.
What did they talk? What did they body? Now you take the talk. Come and call the advice people.
We never tire. No.
We never tire. Our body like the which advice you want to give for social media? Which advice you want to give? You better go. No. You want to start. Don't buy yesterday. Don't buy your mates.
We're not be tired. Oh yeah. Let's see. May you continue control the page.
Oh yeah, go. Not a mama to mama.
I'm gonna send request.
Mama to you, Mama General. Only here how we what now? And what I feel like we no not Kenya, India, now. Here in Nigeria, or this catch all that we keep that boy.
Thank you, love.
Why would you not to see it? Oh, if we told you, let me to kill my
love, where's it?
Who came by the way?
I send him a gift.
When the competition, I have to kill her. When the carrier,
send me gift. No, it's not 8 days.
When a boss, you will tell. When they present so you next 2 months,
Simon better.